Welcome to the Barita Boss platform. To fulfill your bond application, you will need the following. 1. An active JCSD account. 2. Government-issued photo ID and TRN. And 3. Your proof of payment. Let's get started. Once you've created an account, click Apply Online with Boss. You've now logged in to the Boss portal. Here's your dashboard where you'll be able to apply for any available bond offers. We're now going to go ahead and click Apply Now. Great, now you've begun the application process. Here you'll be able to enter your investment amount and review the bond tranche details below. We see that our minimum investment amount is $50,000 with processing fees. Once you've entered the amount you're satisfied with, you may go ahead and press Continue. Following that, you'll be led to a page that details exactly what's needed to complete this application process. Firstly, you need a JCSD account. This needs to be an active, valuable contributor. Secondly, we need a copy of your government ID or TRN. We also need authorizations of all account holders on the main account and any joint account. Finally, we need proof of payment. This can be provided via electronic transfer, a local manager's check, USD wire transfers, broker account, Barita account, or a selling agent. Once you've reviewed the items needed, press Continue. From here, select if you have an existing JCSD number. Once you select Yes, please enter your preferred JCSD number. Select the broker and enter your broker account number. Once that's been inputted, press Continue. Now it's time to enter your personal details. So we're going to go ahead and fill out these fields. From here, enter your employment information. Employer name, occupation, address, parish, state, country, and any contact information below. If it is a joint account, you'll have to add the holder here. Fill in their details as necessary. Be sure to click whether or not they're under 18 years old and fill in the information required. Once all the information is inputted, you may press Continue. This brings us to step 2, the banking mandate. Here, please enter your bank branch, account currency. Please note that the currency must match the one on the offer, the account type, bank account number, and broker account number if necessary. Once the information inputted is accurate, you may press Continue. Here we upload our supporting documents. Please upload a copy of a valid government ID or your TRN. From here, you're going to authorize the application. If it is a joint account, the joint account holder will receive an email to authorize this application as well. From there, press Continue. Now it's time to verify your payment. If you've already paid, go ahead and check Yes. If you haven't, you'll be taken to the page listing all the various payment methods that you can use. Once the payment has been made, you may go ahead and select Enter My Payment Information. Now it's time to select our payment method. We're going to choose electronic transfer. From here, we're going to go ahead and enter all the details. Now it's time to upload the proof of payment and select the source of funds. From there, press Continue. And here we are on our final step. It's time to review the application. Here we can see the number of bonds that we're applying for. So we'll just review the application, make sure that all the information inputted was correct. Once we've verified that all the information is correct, we're going to go ahead and press Submit. And there we go. Your application has been submitted. It was that simple and that easy using the Barita Boss platform.